Hello everyone and welcome to the online class. Let us study together. We are going to study maths. In maths, we are going to continue with the new chapter today. Our chapter's name is Algebraic Expressions and Operations. Let us recall what we've done. And in the last class, we saw that we can also subtract algebraic expressions. So if you have not understood um, that topic, you can ask me later and just try to see and just try to practice a lot so that it will help you to practice all these sums. Okay, so our um, first thing is be happy because and all the best because we are going to do something really different right now. What we're going to do is we have learned about addition, right? We saw the plus sign, we did all those sums. Then we saw about subtraction, right? We saw how to minus algebraic expressions. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do multiplication, which is going to be very, very fun and very, very easy. So we're going to now we're going to learn about multiplication. Alright. So our objective for today's class is we will be able to apply properties of operations to multiply algebraic expressions. You can now pause this video to write this in your notebook. Let's come back and now we can start. Let us see the steps to multiply. Okay, the step says you always have to first multiply the coefficients. This brings back to our starting videos, right? Which says what are terms, what are variables, what are constants, and now we're dealing with coefficients, right? What are coefficients? They're going to be the numbers which are having variables with it. So first multiply them, then multiply the variables, which are the letters. So we also know plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is also plus, but when it is a minus and plus together, it's going to be a minus answer. And then we're going to solve. So let us see at this algebraic expression and we are going to multiply. Can you see multiplication sign has come now? Okay. Before that, try to think which type of polynomial is this. Just try to guess what this is going to be. Which type of polynomial is this? Just try to guess. And yeah, if you have guessed it correct, it's going to be a binomial. Okay, because it has two terms, right? 3x here or 12y here. दो terms है ना, so it's going to be a binomial. Now let's see how to do this multiplication. Okay, my step में तो मुझे क्या कहा था कि पहले आप कोएफिशिएंट को मल्टीप्लाई करो, उसके बाद आप वेरिएबल को करो. मतलब जो नंबर है जिसके साथ एक वेरिएबल है उसको पहले आप मल्टीप्लाई कर दो डायरेक्ट और उसके बाद वेरिएबल्स को मल्टीप्लाई करो. तो कैसा होगा वो देखो. 3 into 12 into x into y. I am simply going to write this as my first step. 3 into 12 into x into y. सबको एक करके आपने ले लिया है यहाँ पे ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई करके. ठीक है. What you're going to do is always take the coefficients first. Coefficients are going to be the numbers. इनको हम starting में लेंगे. Now you just have to multiply. What is 3 12s are 36. Then I'm just going to put x and y together like this. This is going to be your answer. Can you now guess the answer that you've got? Which type of polynomial will this be now? What is this? What is this answer? Which type of polynomial have you got right now? Try to guess. going to be a monomial. Okay, because there are no signs right now. So it's going to be a monomial. Let's go ahead, and now we're going to look at this algebraic expression. Okay, this says 10x into 5y. I'm sure you will be able to answer this. Try to think, how do I solve this? How do I multiply? I am going to take the numbers first. I will multiply 10 into 5 into x into y. ऐसा कर दिया, अब मुझे डायरेक्ट उसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. What is 10 into 5? It's going to be 50. X and y remains the same. This is going to be your answer. Again, I've got a monomial as my answer. Now, we're going to do one more sum which is a little different and a little difficult. So let us pay attention. Okay, my sum says 2a square. That means I actually have two a's over here, but I'm not writing it as I'm writing it with the number 2 on top. I call it as 2a square into 3ab square. Okay, I so there's some difference here, right? हम इसको कैसे अब करें? Let us see what to do. Just like how we did it here, सबको एक एक करके आपने मल्टीप्लाई किया, सेम चीज आप यहाँ पे भी करो. I have taken the numbers first, 2 into 3, then you take into a square, then you take the similar variable right now, a after this into b square. I have just written everything that is there separate करके ऐसा अकेले अकेले करके. अभी आप देखो क्या होगा. अभी आपको पहले मल्टीप्लाई करना है. What is 2 into 3 is going to be 6. Now I have two A's here. I have one A here. So together it becomes 3. Why 3? Because I can see I have two A's here, right? A square means I have actually two A's. दो है और यहाँ पे एक ही है. So what is 2 plus 1? 3. So this is called as cube. Cube. Okay. And b square remains the same. So 6 कैसे आया? Because 2 into 3 is 6. So 6a cube b square is going to be my answer. This is a little difficult and different, but it's going to be easy once you understand कि आपको सीधा काउंट करना है कि कितने a's है, कितने b's है, वैसा. Let's go ahead and let us see one more example, okay? And this time you can also try, but we are going to do this together. Again I've got a sum जिसमें यहाँ पे a है सिर्फ एक, यहाँ पे दो है, यहाँ पे b दो है. I am simply going to multiply. The numbers always comes first. Okay, इतने सारे letters में आप numbers को मत भूल जाओ. Numbers हमेशा पहले आएगा. 5 into 8 into a square into b square. So now my answer is 5 into 8 is 40. 1a plus 2 is going to be 3, giving me total number 3 a's हो गए. So a cube and b square remains the same. This is how you find your answer. Now let us look at the steps again. Okay, same steps. You should always remember, first multiply the coefficients, then multiply the variables, and then you have the signs. If you have any different signs, then you can always see what answer you're going to get. Okay, now Now we are going to see how to do this sum. Okay, the sum says 12x into 3y square. ओके, इसको अभी हमको सॉल्व करना है. सेम चीज मैं करूंगी. 12 into 3 into x into y. Why have I written this two times? Because this can also be written ऐसा. Because I actually have two y's here, right? So I can either write y square or you can take it separately ऐसा अलग अलग. It means the same because answer में it's going to come as the same thing. But just see, it's the same thing, right? So 12 into 3 is going to be 36, x and y square. That's my answer. Now we're going to try to find a difficult sum. The sum is on the screen. Minus 3x square into minus 4xy. इसको अभी हम कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? आई कैन सी अ नेगेटिव साइन हैज कम हियर, राइट? नेगेटिव माइनस माइनस साइन आ गया. इसको अभी हम कैसे करेंगे? डू द सेम थिंग फर्स्ट. टेक द कोएफिशिएंट्स टुगेदर. -3 into -4 then into minus into x square into x into y. Same things, right? Same things like this. Then I know minus into minus is going to be plus. So it's going to not have a minus sign right now. You can also write plus, or if you don't write anything, that's also fine because it's a plus sign. So please see the change. Minus into minus is going to be plus. Then 3 into 12 is 3 into 4 is 12. X कितने हैं? 3 है. So x cube and y remains the same. This is going to be your answer. Now, if you've understood all of this, you all are very, very smart. Some homework questions for you to solve. Please try these sums and try to find the answers. Okay, please pause this video. That's it. You are done with your classes for today. Some questions you're going to ask yourself after all of these algebraic expression videos. What did you learn? How was your experience? Did you like anything about your behavior? Anything you should do better to learn? And if you have doubts, please ask. Thank you for learning. See you next time.